Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add add-ons on Stremio. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. For that, all you have to do is simply go ahead and access your Stremio application. And once you have done that, you will find this kind of interface, and you will, on the left side of your section, you will find this kind of options, including this puzzle icon, which is the add-ons icon. Go ahead, tap on it. Now you can see there are cost search, or content deep dive companion. These are the add-ons that are ready to be installed. You can also go ahead and search the kind of add-ons that you would like to add. Now once you have searched for your add-on, tap on install beside it and tap on install over here again. Once I've confirmed it, your add-on will be installed, and now you can simply go ahead and enjoy its service over here on the Stremio likewise. And that's all it takes. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.